Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Coinbase account if you've forgotten your password during logging in. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your Coinbase application from your app drawer. In the first interface of Coinbase, you'll be able to see a Get Started button and tap on the Sign In button in order to end up in the login area. After you do that, head over to the first text box and type in your email that is associated with your Coinbase account. When it asks for your password, if you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in into the password text field. But if you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email one more time. Simply type it in the text box that says email. After you're done, tap on the Reset Password button. Now, you'll be receiving an email in the particular email address that you just typed in. Simply tap open your email after you receive it, and then you'll be able to see this kind of a Reset Password link. Tap it on. In order to end up in the Reset Password area, choose a password for your account and type it in the first text box, and confirm your password in the next field by typing it again. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. After you're done and you're ready to update your password, tap on Update Password button in blue. Wait for a few seconds and your password has been reset. Now, go ahead and enter the 7-digit code that has been texted to your phone number that is associated with Coinbase. Type the 7-digit code in the text box and tap Verify. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password for Coinbase. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. That is how you'll be able to recover your Coinbase account even if you've forgotten your password to it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.